Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can catch the gingerbread fish plushie in Fish It. So this gingerbread fish is a limited time items in Fish It, and if you want to get this fish easily you can just follow my steps. So first, for the location, you can just go to the Christmas island, and for the exact spot the fish you can just go inside the Christmas island in here, and there are 4 fishing spots in here that you can choose to get the gingerbread. You can also go fishing in the secret spot on the Christmas island, and if you want to know where the secret spot is you can just watch the video on my channel. So guys, that's how you can catch the gingerbread fish in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.